Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Now we continue example 3. The cumulative distribution function capital F of a discrete random variable x is shown as below. So the cumulative distribution function is capital F, or I will call CDF. Okay. The table here give the value of 5 value of x. The CDF for x equals to x equals to 1 equals to 0.2. When x equals to 2, capital F is 0.32. And take note that the value of CDF is increasing. Okay, from 0.2 up to 0.32, 0.67, 0.9, and lastly 1. So CDF here means the sum of the probability until the last value is 1. Okay, to make sure the function is CDF or not, you have to look at the last term here. If the last term here is 1, means that one is CDF. Okay, so find A, probability x equals to 3, B, probability x more than 2, C, probability x more than or equal to, less than or equal 4, and last one, D, median. Okay. Okay, now we continue. A, the question asks to find the probability x equals to 3. So the formula is given as capital F3 minus capital F2. Okay, so how do we get this? Like you have learned before, capital F3 means probability at less than or equal 3, or the summation of probability x equal to 1 plus x equal to 2 plus probability x equal to 3. So this 3 value is called F3. Okay, what is F2? F2 is represented by the blue circle here. That is the sum of probability x equals to 1 plus probability x equal to 2. Okay, so to get F3, you have to create the formula that is F3 minus F2. Then you will get F probability x equal to 3 here. Okay, so this is how we create the formula. How to read the table? Now, how to read the table? You can read the table directly here. Okay, F3 is given as 0.67. Okay, F2 is given as 0.32. Okay, so you minus and you will get 0.35 for the median. Okay, now we continue. The question asks to find the probability for x more than 2. So we need to create the formula. Because the question asks x more than 2 means 2 is not included here. So we can create the formula by minus 1, the total of all the probability. You have to minus probability at less than or equal to, because we didn't want 2 here, so you have to minus 2 in the formula. So take note that probability at less than or equal to is actually can be written as capital F2 or CDF2. Okay, so this is the another way of writing. Okay, we use the symbol F2. So F2 you can read directly like our previous question. So 0.32. So we get the final answer 0.68. Okay. Okay. C. Find the probability x more than or equal to, less than or equal 4. So note that 2 and 4 are included here because x is more than or equal to, less than or equal 4. So how to create the formula? Our CDF function is the sum of the probability for at less than or equal. So the formula is probability at less than or equal 4 minus probability at less than or equal 1. So we can write as capital F4 minus capital F1. F besar 4 tolak F besar 1. So you get capital F4, 0.9, capital F1, 0.2, and the answer is 0.7. Okay? Okay, D. The question asks median. How to find the median? Okay, so definition for the median is a, a value of x where the total of the probability from the beginning up to the point M is equals to 0.5. So we can write as capital F M equals to 0.5. CDF until the point M is equals to 0.5. The probability is equals to half. Okay, so we need to check here. Because our function is only defined for this 5 value, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can read from the table. F1 is just 0.2. Capital F2 is 0.32 here. Okay, 0.32 means less than 0.5. Okay, so we check for the next value, that is 3. F3 is 0.67. Okay, means more than 0.5. The median is 3 because F2 is only 0.32, still less than 0.5.